The stock market is a roller coaster, and today we're diving deep into Microvision Inc. With a recent gain of 2.03% in just a week, everyone's asking, is it time to hold or fold? And what's that price target everyone's whispering about? Stay tuned! Alright, let's take a closer look at the news. Microvision Inc., abbreviated as MVIS, has been making waves in the scientific and technical instruments industry. The recent rating from InvestorsObserver places MVIS near the middle of this industry. To put it in perspective, it scores higher than 53% of stocks in its industry. But that's not all. MVIS's overall rating means it outperforms 45% of all stocks out there. Now, for those of you wondering about these ratings, let's break it down. Finding the best stocks can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. There are countless ways to analyze stocks, and it can get overwhelming. InvestorsObserver simplifies this by using percentile rankings. This method allows investors to easily identify stocks with the strongest evaluations by analysts. Their scoring system is a blend of technical factors, fundamental analysis, and Wall Street analysts' opinions. So, when MVIS gets a score of 45, it's a pretty big deal. But what's the current scene with MVIS stock? As of September 5th, while the S&P 500 saw a slight dip of 0.22%, MVIS remained relatively stable with a minor 0.2% movement. When we look at the bigger picture, the S&P 500 has surged by 15.29% over the past year, but MVIS has decreased by a significant 41.36%. It's essential to note that MVIS's share price has seen a drop of 38 cents over the last 12 months. Now, for the traders out there, let's talk numbers. The upcoming trading session has some crucial surge signals for MVIS. On the upward trend, we're looking at $2.54, $2.61, and $2.66. On the flip side, the downward signals are $2.42, $2.37, and $2.30. What does this mean? These numbers are potential price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If MVIS approaches or breaches these levels, it could indicate a significant shift in its stock value. For instance, if the stock starts moving towards the $2.66 mark, it could be a sign of an upward trend. Conversely, if it nears $2.30, traders might brace for a potential dip. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into MVIS for today. If you found this analysis helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay updated on the latest stock news and insights. Oh, and when you do subscribe, drop a comment saying subscribed, and we'll do our best to respond. Before we sign off, we've got a question for you. Based on today's analysis, are you bullish or bearish on MVIS? Share your thoughts in the comments below.